Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars good. First, familiarize yourself with each brawler's distinct attack and powerful super ability. Knowing these details is crucial for effective gameplay. Next, take time to understand the objectives of every game mode, whether it's gem grab, brawl ball, or heist. Finally, practice your movement and aiming controls to ensure you can hit your targets consistently and dodge incoming attacks. These foundational skills are essential for any aspiring player. Moving beyond the basics, advanced players effectively use the environment. Bushes are not just for hiding, they are key for launching surprise attacks and making quick, strategic retreats. Always keep an eye on your ammo count. Knowing when to reload versus when to push for damage is vital. Furthermore, try to anticipate where your opponents will move next. This foresight allows you to pre-aim and land more impactful shots, giving you a significant advantage in skirmishes. Teamwork is paramount in Brawl Stars. Even without voice chat, effective communication through quick pings can make a huge difference. Work with your teammates to create a balanced team composition, ensuring you have brawlers that cover different roles like damage, support, and tanking. Always prioritize map control. Holding key areas gives your team better positioning and access to objectives. A coordinated team with a clear strategy will consistently outperform individual efforts. Consistent practice is the ultimate path to improvement. Make it a habit to watch replays of your matches. This helps you pinpoint errors and understand better strategies. Don't be afraid to experiment with various brawlers and their unique star powers or gadgets to find what suits your playstyle best. Remember, every game is a learning opportunity. Also, for those interested in personal finance, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll see your skills grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.